Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. By your request, today we will practice a beginner-friendly of Guangboticao, a Qigong cardio and a form of a kinetic exercise. Instead of counting the numbers, I will guide you with easy to follow step-by-step instructions to energize your whole body. Now let's get started. Begin standing, feet hip width, shrug the shoulders up and back a few times. Next, we're going to swing our arms 9 times to loosen up the body. Now we're going to swing the arms across. The brief overview of the Guangboticao, which consists of 8 separate movements. The series of 8 movements is designed to energize the whole body, and each movement is completed in a count of 8, but we're not going to count today. You will follow my instructions and we work on it together. And once we finish swinging the arms, like just hands on your waist, lift the leg up, just like, or you can take a few steps here. Warm up the legs, or lift it higher, high knees. The first part of the Guangboticao activates the chest to stimulate circulation, and the middle movements target the core and the waist, improve flexibility and balance. The final movements are for strengthening the legs, help to harmonize the body's energy. All right, now we begin. Start with feet together. Make a fist. The first movement is punch up. Step 1 foot out to the side as you pull the elbows down towards your waist, and then punch up. Look up and pull down. Extend the arms, open your chest, bring the foot back. And then we'll continue, but we step the opposite leg out. Punch up, pull down, and open the arms and come back. We'll repeat 3 more times. Inhale, draw the elbows down, open your chest, feeling you're squeezing the shoulder blades. Exhale, punch up. Inhale, pull down. Exhale, extend the arms out to the side. Bring the leg back. You see, we will step the opposite side out. Punch up, extend, and bring everything back to center. 2 more times on each side. Squeeze the shoulder blades and punch up. Open the arms. Other foot goes out, pull down the elbows, punch up, extend the arms to the side, open the chest, bring the legs back. Last one. Inhale, slowly pull down the elbows. Exhale, lift your arms, look up as you're pulling down, and then bring the leg back. Other foot goes out, punch up, pull down, and come back. That's the first movement. The second one is punch out. We bring the fist to the waist. Step 1 leg out to the side, lunge to your left, then punch 1, punch 2, and come back. Now second side, lunge to the right, punch and punch. So you see it's quite straightforward. We always start with one side and then work on the second side. Punch, forcefully, punch. And now bend. You can lunge, big step or small step, it doesn't matter. But when you punch, try to go slow. You will notice the activation of the waist. 2 more on each side. and come back to center. The next one is the chest expansion. We will step 1 foot forward, lunge forward as you extend the arms. Inhale, then exhale, open the chest. One more time, and come back, bring the legs back, squat down. You can squat low or to whatever amount that feels comfortable, and come back. And you know, that next one we will be lunging the other side of foot forward. Open the chest. You can do 2 or 3 here. Bring the legs back and squat down. You got the idea. Inhale, lunge forward. Exhale, open the chest. Lunge forward. Open the chest. And bring the legs back and squat down. 2 more times on each side. I like to stretch 3 times. Just seems get more out of each movement. 2, 3. Then we'll bring the foot back. Right side. And the next movement, the leg kick. Inhale, lunge 1 foot forward, reach the arms up. Once you find your balance, as you exhale, kick the other leg up and then lower down and bring the foot back. Keep going, step the other foot forward, then kick the foot, reach down, come back to center. So 3 more. Lunge forward, once you become stable, then kick the foot up, reach the leg down, arms goes up, and bring the leg back. Second side. 2 more. Lunge, kick, lower down, and come back. Lunge, kick, lower down, come back. Okay, 1 more on each side. Very good. And the next one is easier. Step the feet out. It's the side stretch. Extend the arms out to the side and bring one hand to your waist. The other arm goes up and stretch the side of the body. We do 3. So stretch 3 times. And then bring everything back. Step other foot out. Opposite arm goes up. And we're stretching the second side. Feels really good. Bring the legs back. Arms come back to the body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch. Stretch. Inhale back to center. Exhale. Okay, 1 more. So don't get too hung up on 1 to inhale, 1 to exhale. Whenever that is comfortable, you might break 1 movement into a full cycle in and out of the breath. Very good. The next one is the body twist. Step 1 foot out to the side. Extend the arms. Inhale. Exhale. Send one of the fingertips towards the opposite toes. I'm reaching my left hand towards the right foot. Look up. Now inhale. Swing your arms up and behind your shoulders. Exhale. Come back. Bring the leg back. Now second side. Step the opposite leg out. Now you know this time is the right fingers reach towards the left toes. Look up. Inhale. Swing the arms behind, finding the twist through your spine. Exhale, facing forward, bring the leg back. So we'll do 3 more on each side. One foot out. Fingers reach towards the opposite toes. Twisting through the spine. Look up. Inhale. Swing the arms up and back. Exhale. Back to center. Other side. This feels good. And swing the arms. Two more times. Inhale, swing the arms. Exhale, back to neutral. Other side. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Reach the fingers down. Inhale, swing the arms up and back. Exhale, back. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Twist and reach down. And swing the arms up as you breathe in. And breathe out. Bring the arms back. Okay, almost final. The next one is the back extension. Inhale, extend the arms up like the mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise, extend the arms up while stepping one foot forward to lunge. Exhale, bring the leg back. Now continue, reach the arms up, open your chest. Exhale, hinge and fold. Inhale, lift the chest, arms goes up towards the sky. Other foot goes forward to a lunge position. Inhale, exhale back. You got the idea. So we're going to do 3 more. Arms rise and forward fold. Step the foot forward and bring the leg back. Keep going. Arms rise, open the chest and forward fold. Mobilize your spine. Inhale, lunge forward and bring the leg back. 2 more on each side. Arms rise, breathe in and breathe out. Forward fold. Inhale, lunge forward. Exhale, come back. Okay, 1 more. Lift arms. One set to go. Arms rise, arching the spine a little. And forward, fold, however deep that you feel the body feels like to. And then lunge forward and come back. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, forward fold. Then step other foot forward, bend into the knees and come back. Very good. Oh, you're almost there. Our last one is the jumping exercise. The jumping exercise is much like the jumping jack. You don't have to jump. You can step the foot out to the side and extend the arms. So we extend the arms and hands and feet together, then hands and feet apart, and jump back. Okay. Continue. Last set. Very good, you did it. Now we're going to bend the knees, just walk a little. Feeling the body's energy get nicely harmonized, and our legs are stronger, our flexibility and balance are improved. Very good. It's a very good exercise to do every morning. Friends, I hope today's Guangboticao was a lot easier to follow and you really enjoyed, get a lot out of it. Please let me know how you liked the practice and leave me a comment, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, continue to practice and take good care of yourself.